Et bienvenue tout le monde, c'est parti pour cet épisode numéro 8 sur The Walking Dead saison 2 avec la suite de chapitre 4 de The Walking Dead saison 2. On va y arriver. Okay. Donc là je suis en train de fouiller un musée abandonné pour trouver quelque chose de sûr pour Rebecca, puisque elle est enceinte, elle commence à mettre bas.
Nah, they're just for show. Be handy though.
Also really loud.
Good point.
Donc là je suis en train de chercher des choses au musée à proximité de là où on se trouve, pour nous aider. Ramasser le manteau de la guerre.
Hey, look at this. An old coat.
Nice. Good find, Clem. You should hang on to that. It's gonna get a lot colder before it starts getting warmer. Someone could use it.
Maybe I could give it to Rebecca.
That's a good idea. I'm sure she'll really appreciate it.
Je pense, oui. Et puis des blousons,
I
c'est pas
guess
ce
you've already
qui...
got that old coat I gave you. I feel so bad about everything that happened. Hopefully you won't always think of me like that. Not that I blame you if you did. I haven't always used the best judgment.
It seems like you're with us now. That's what matters most.
Clem found a jacket.
Je trouve ça bien d'avoir intégré les personnages de 400 Days.
We can't put Rebecca in a Confederate coat.
Oh, I didn't even think about that.
Guess it's better than nothing though.
Oui, c'est clair. Si je trouve quelque chose de mieux, je le prendrai, mais bon.
There have sure been some animals through here. Watch where you step.
Lee would have loved this place. Do you see anything good?
Not so
C'est bien
far,
qu'il y ait toujours cette
but let's give the place a
référence
good
à
going
lui.
over.
J'aime beaucoup les clins d'œil au premier.
Any luck?
No, not so much. Unless you want some broken glass.
Ouvrir porte du stand. Allez, Clémentine.
I tell you, I sure don't like being near a graveyard with the world the way it
Oui,
is
c'est
now.
clair.
The way things are now, you're in a graveyard all the time.
Yeah, true enough.
Oh, de l'eau.
Over here.
Parce que j'avais besoin d'eau et de couverture,
Water,
donc...
bottled and clean. That's just what we need. It's locked. You want to kick it down?
That'd make an awful lot of noise.
Yeah, maybe. You know, if somebody was small enough, they could
Ouais,
maybe
ça va être encore
squeeze
pour
through
moi.
the gap there.
I could try to pry it open some more, but I don't know if that'll help much.
No, I mean, maybe
All right. I'll go.
Thanks, Clem.
just open the door from the other side. Mike will carry those things out. Might be a bit heavy for you.
Bah oui. Faut bien qu'ils servent à quelque chose, Mike, merde. Je fais tout, moi, ici.
I'm stuck.
Okay, maybe I push from...
Oh putain, sérieux.
Well, that happened.
Jesus, Mary and
Je ne suis
Joseph.
plus aussi petite qu'elle.
Guess I'm not quite as small as I used to be.
But you're tough for your size.
Shit. You're tough for my size.
I'm sorry I asked you. I won't do it again.
At least now we got something to bring back.
I'll keep checking the other room.
Let's get this water.
Je vais pas arriver à le porter.
Hey, I got this.
That looks pretty heavy.
That's all right. I know it looks like a lot, but we could all go through this pretty quick. Carver was crazy, but at least his shelves were always full. We're gonna have to be conservative as hell.
We'll make a plan. Everyone will have enough.
I hope so. That baby's gonna be hard on everyone, especially Rebecca. And between you and me, she's not looking too good.
Ouais, mais bon.
Hey, guys.
Qu'est-ce qu'il y a?
Come on, stick close.
It just walked on in like it owned the place. Figure it'd make a nice meal.
Ah.
We can eat raccoon?
I'd eat the shit out of that raccoon. Not like, I mean, just that I'd be really happy to eat that raccoon. I am starving.
Fresh meat would go a long way with Rebecca.
Yeah.
Ah, il nous a
Don't
vus.
let it get away!
Where is it?
I think it went over there.
Over here!
Oh, shit!
Grab it!
He's too fast.
Shit!
Dang it!
Non, 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 tire pas, du con.
Not with the walkers out there.
I'm even hungrier than I was before. How'd I get to a place where I'm sad I'm not eating raccoon?
Well, I'm sort of glad it got away. It had a family.
Yeah, me too.
Ouais,
Come on, let's just get this back to Rebecca and the others.
je pense que c'était le mieux.
We don't have much time to waste.
Bien. Bon, c'est quand même pas moi qui vais faire l'accouchement, quand même. Je préférerais m'occuper de Sarah, à la limite.
I'm not supposed to be in labor yet, Kenny. What if something's wrong?
Nothing's wrong. Babies know how to be born.
How long did your son take?
How you doing, Beck?
Okay. I'm okay. How did you guys make out?
Museum's a bust. All glass walls shattered. It'd be impossible.
And it was picked over pretty good. Lots of folks probably been there before us.
We found some water, though.
Oh, that's good. Nice work.
Good. Good. We save all of that for Rebecca. Anybody else gets a thirst, you can go to the river.
Je suis assez d'accord.
Hey, Clem. Glad you made it back safe.
How are you feeling?
Scared. And it hurts.
Oui, oui. Ça, je veux bien te croire. Hein.
I wish Alvin was here.
Everything Alvin did was for you and the baby. Giving himself up to Carver like that, it was to try to keep you and the baby safe.
C'est pas faux.
Yeah. I know it's a waste of time, but I can't stop thinking about things I should have said to him. Things I should have talked to him about. How am I ever going to do this without him?
You're going to be a good mom.
We sure have come a long way since we first met, huh?
Oh, ça c'est clair, oui. Vous pouvez pas me blairer.
I'm glad you'll be there to watch out for this baby.
J'ai pas dit que je surveillerais cet enfant, j'ai dit qu'il serait une bonne maman.
I got this. I'm worried that we ain't seen Jane in a while. Go check on her, would you?
Yeah, go on ahead. I'll be fine.
J'aimerais bien parler avec Kenny pour
Are you
savoir
okay, Kenny?
comment il va.
Sure. Why wouldn't I be?
Ok. Au moins il m'a pas envoyé chier. Hein? Et Luc, c'est côte.
Hey, Luke.
Hey, Clem. Nice job finding those bottles of water. That's a good score.
We couldn't have brought them back without Mike.
Yeah, he's pretty strong. That's for sure.
He thinks we don't like him.
No, it's not that. I just think he's more eager than he has a right to be. Okay, he wants acceptance before he's earned it. Does that make sense to you?
I guess so.
Ah, il faut se faire accepter maintenant.
We found an old coat.
Sorry, you know, about the color.
You really think I care about that?
Oh, les yeux de Clémentine. Oh, il y a eu un vieux bug là. Bon, je vais parler à tout le monde et ensuite j'irai voir où est Jen.
What are you thinking about?
I'm worried about Rebecca. Having a baby can be rough enough on a woman, even in a nice, clean hospital. Does she even have a shot out here?
Mike.
That walk seemed longer to you on the way back.
No, but thanks for carrying the water.
I didn't realize how tired I was until I put it down. I need to rest up a bit. Seems like folks appreciated it, though.
That's good.
Maybe they'll come around after all.
Carte.
I hope one of these buildings is safer than out here.
Alors, vous êtes ici, ruine de la guerre civile. Terrasse d'observation, musée de la guerre civile.
I hope Jane finds something good over there. It looks closer on the map. This looks like where we are right now.
Voilà. Oui, bon. En fait, ils ne font que traduire ce que je viens de dire. Warning. Hey, Sarah.
Hey, Sarah. You know, Rebecca's starting
They
to...
were going to leave me, weren't they?
Of course not. Luke tried really hard to get you to come with him.
How come you didn't leave me?
Because we're friends.
I could never be that good of a friend. I just want my dad.
I know.
When he gets here, we should all go back to the cabin. We're safe there.
Il ne viendra pas.
Sarah, your dad, you know he isn't coming, right? Sarah?
Hey, I think that's all she can take for now. She'll be all right.
Hey, Sarah.
Non, je crois pas qu'elle va me dire autre chose. Mais elle me fait plus pitié qu'autre chose en fait. Et c'est pas la même pitié qu'avec Ben dans la saison 1. C'est complètement différent, je trouve. Bon, où est-ce qu'elle est, cette Jane?
Jane?
Jane? Explorer quand? va y aller tranquillou bilou. Est-ce qu'elle s'est barrée?
Hey, Clementine, up here.
Ah, elle est là. Ah, des volets fermés.
Museum was a bust, huh?
We found water. A lot of it.
Well, that's something at least. Check this out. This gate's still locked, which means that hopefully no one's gotten to whatever was locked in there in the first place. I've been trying to get it open, but it's locked pretty tight. Can't see what's inside.
If it's locked, maybe there's still food.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Maybe I can pick the lock.
Ah oui.
Nail file?
Versatility is not overrated. You know, it wouldn't hurt to try a heavier hand with this thing. See if you can find something bigger.
Un truc
You
plus
might
gros.
need to bust the mechanism.
Faire une observation. Est-ce qu'il fera plus chaud ici?
Do you think it'll be warmer in there? It's so cold out here.
It'll keep the wind chill off at least. Better than nothing.
Ouais, je pense que c'est plutôt pas mal, oui. Alors, poubelle.
Find anything?
No.
Qu'est-ce que les gens ont
not
pu
even
détruire
trash.
là-dedans? Enfin, détruire, ont pu jeter. Des détritus, bon. Logique. Regardez affiche. Omid aurait été content de venir là. Et lui aussi d'ailleurs. Omid. Ok. Bon, là, il n'y a rien. Putain, ce télescope, il va me demander des sous, non?
I guess it's broken.
Ah non, il est cassé. Bon. Il est cassé. Qu'est-ce que je peux trouver d'autre? Un canon. Un ch'ti canon. Regardez les informations.
Ow! Shit!
You okay?
Yeah. I think I almost had it. Keep looking.
Ah, il y a un autre télescope. Et celui-ci fonctionne.
There's some buildings across the river. I think I can see a church.
The nearest river crossing is miles up. Rebecca wouldn't make it in her condition. Keep it in mind, though.
Jane, there's someone coming toward us.
Ah, qu'est-ce que c'est?
Shit, shit, shit. He's coming this way.
C'est qui ça?
And who knows if he has friends nearby.
Why is he coming up here?
No idea. But we should scope him out and see what he's up to. I don't like having some stranger sneaking around so close to the others.
Il peut peut-être ouvrir la
We've got
grille.
enough on our plates with a baby coming. Last thing we need
Attendons
is someone
qu'il
telling
passe.
their friends about the new easy targets in the neighborhood.
We should just try and stay out of sight till he's gone.
Good call.
Je pense que c'est le mieux.
Shit. Hide now.
Parce que s'il peut ouvrir la grille pour nous. Il y a une prothèse. Qu'est-ce qu'il fout? Parler à étranger.
Shit. Подожди, подожди.
Parler en russe.
I'm just a kid. Please, don't hurt me. Do you understand me?
Yes. I'm Arvo. I'm going to go. I don't want to shoot. I don't want to shoot anyone. Especially маленькая девочка. Little girl.
Okay, I'm leaving. I'll leave you alone.
Okay, I am not going.
Back up. Put the bag down. Clem, make sure he doesn't have any other weapons in there.
Fais pas le con, toi. Moi, je resterai pas à côté.
No, I have no more guns. I swear to you.
We just need to make sure you're not a threat.
You дурак.
Là, c'est que des médicaments.
Anything? Whoa. That's a serious stash of meds.
No. Take whatever you want, but don't take the medicine. It's for my sister. My older sister, she's sick. The pain makes her cry and that makes those things come. Please.
Is it just you and your sister?
No. I have many friends. In the woods.
Sister or not, we could really use that stuff.
No, you are not nice people. You have already left me defenseless, and now you take my sister's medicine? You are worried.
Hey, we've got people who are suffering, who need this medicine.
Non, mais bon, c'est pas à nous.
Luke's still a wreck after Carver's. Kenny's a mess. Rebecca's in pain. Look at all of it. Clementine, we need that stuff.
People are suffering just as much as yours. You are not special. Clementine, yes, you must.
We don't believe a fucking word about your sick sister.
Please don't make my sister suffer. She has been through enough.
Oh, yeah? Well, I think you're just some junkie. You know what that word means? You're not taking them.
I'm not robbing anybody. Just let him go.
Oh, Боже. Thank you, Clementine. Thank you.
Qu'est-ce qu'elle fait? Elle va pas le buter quand même.
Oh, what are you doing? You don't have to do this. Just let me go.
Jane, don't do it.
Don't you ever come around here again. I don't care if you do have some sick sister. The next time I see you, you won't just be walking away. Go.
Je pense que j'ai.
Can't believe I've gotten into this mess.
Je pense que j'ai pris la bonne décision.
Threatening some stupid kid?
I thought you were gonna shoot him.
Why? Did you want me to?
J'ai juste voulu l'intimider.
Go get the others. I'm gonna get this place opened. Then we need to get moved in ASAP.
Ça m'a rappelé le choix que j'ai fait avec la voiture, avec plein de provisions dans la saison 1 où je n'ai pas voulu les prendre et ça m'a plutôt bien réussi donc.
Clem, hey! Any luck with that observation deck? I was just checking on Rebecca and Kenny. They said they hadn't heard from you in a while.
I don't guess there'd be much, but Jane seems pretty resourceful. God knows we could use a break.
The deck might be a safe place we can stay tonight, where Rebecca could have the baby. At least, if we can't find something better.
I guess that's something. I should check it out.
Is Jane still up there now?
Oui.
Yeah, she's trying to get the gift shop opened.
You know, I can't figure her out.
I
mean, she really lays it on the line, but at the same time, she doesn't show you anything that counts.
Je ne sais pas quoi
I'm still
penser.
not sure what to think about her. She's strong, and she's been helping us, but she's cold.
Voilà, moi c'est exactement ce que je pense.
Nobody's that cold. I'm definitely starting to think we might need to branch out.
What do you mean?
Jane seems like the kind of person who gets tempered by hardship, you know? But when I look at Kenny now, he seems broken. Broken people get reckless. I know you got a history with him. Look, I think he's a good guy. At least started as a good guy. but I just think he's had to take more than he can handle.
You're wrong. Kenny's stronger than anyone. He tries to protect us.
I don't know, Clem.
Je vais le protéger,
I
Clémy.
used to think that maybe all the horror hadn't gotten to you yet. But you watched your friend murder Carver. Not just kill him, but... Clem, you didn't even blink.
What would you have done if it was you?
Well, I don't know. Really, I don't. I just think less.
Maintenant, on me reproche d'avoir regardé, assisté à la scène, quoi.
I need to tell the others about the deck.
Yeah, good. I will, I'll see you back there.
Eh ben, on est dans la merde. Putain. Alors, qu'est-ce qui va se passer? Ah, c'est l'autre là qui me... Le russe là. Ah bah ça devait arriver, ouais.
Shit, shit, oh God.
Breathe like I told you.
Okay. Oh God.
Ah bah oui.
Oh God.
Oh no.
Ça c'était évident.
Clementine!
Shit, walkers.
How'd they get that close without anyone seeing them? That was Luke.
Kenny, we've got to do something.
You just keep that baby safe.
Kenny?
We can't stay here.
The museum. It's our only choice.
No, Jane and I found a place. I'll show you.
Good. Someone help me up.
Oh God, there's so many.
Mike, the water.
On it.
Je pense que c'est le mieux.
Sarah, let's go.
Jesus.
Clem, I don't think he's okay. He's losing it. I mean, that isn't...
He's doing it to protect us.
Sure.
Kenny!
Il reste pas sur le même.
Damn it!
J'ai cru qu'il allait tout seul les faire en mode warrior. Par contre, il faut absolument ouvrir cette grille avant qu'ils arrivent. Ah oui, quand même. Oui. Ah, elle a réussi à ouvrir? Ah oui.
That's about as human as I've felt in a long time. I almost forgot what... Clementine!
Ah.
Jesus, Clem, it's just not...
Luke?
It just happened. I wasn't, Wait, what's going on?
In here. Let's get you comfortable.
What the fuck are you two doing up here?
Kenny, what's going on?
We got God knows how many walkers out there, which you were supposed to be keeping an eye out for.
Hey, hold on a second. Just tell me what's going on.
Mais il y a des
What's
rôdeurs.
going on is
tout
you're a
simplement.
reckless fucking moron.
I'm reckless. You know, you got a lot of nerve, Kenny.
Oh God.
Rebecca's having the baby.
Now?
No!
Fuck. I'm sorry.
Shit.
Right over here.
They're coming up the stairs.
Here. We should...
You want to help? Get out there and keep the walkers off us. I'll do this. I've been here before.
They can't rush us on the stairs. Shoot them before they get to us.
Shit, that's a lot of them. We need everyone out here.
Sarah, stay out of the way, okay?
I'm going outside. I'll help pull them back.
Go. I've got Rebecca.
Here they come.
Here. We
Ah, mais il y
can't
a
let
des
them off.
portes. J'aime bien parce qu'on peut pas leur tirer sur tous en fait. Il y en a un que je visais et elle voulait pas.
There are too many of them.
Shit! Keep shooting! They are not getting up here! Find something to block this gate!
Help us!
Le canon.
We can block the gate with this.
I'll help, I'm coming. Together. Ready?
Allez.
Oh shit! What the fuck is going on out there?
Aïe aïe aïe.
Get back! Get back!
Oh, shit!
C'est qui?
Jane! Sarah, hang on!
Fuck!
Oh putain, il y a Sarah aussi.
I can't hold on!
Help me!
Clem! Come on!
Jane! Save Sarah!
Are you crazy? There's no way she's getting out of that. Pull me up. It's suicide. Just pull me up.
Allez, va la sauver, putain.
Just go!
Okay,
I can't! Help me, somebody!
I'm trying. You have to listen to me.
Sarah!
No!
Bah là. Ah bah non, c'est foutu. Ah, j'aurais pas cru. Hein.
I'm so sorry, Clem. We tried. It just wasn't enough.
I know, but I wish it could be different.
Push!
Oh shit.
T'as
They're
été
climbing
vraiment
up.
condamné. Hein.
They're gonna make it up here.
Fuck! Does this shit ever end?
We need to break the rest of the deck.
She's right. She's right. Drop the whole deck. Drop the... Are you fucking crazy?
How are we gonna do that?
I don't know. Just look around.
Ah, la deuxième tâche.
Look!
That'll work. We bust that, the whole thing comes down.
Boost me.
They're getting closer. Clementine!
Move it!
Come on!
I'm going
Allez.
as fast as I can.
Watch it! Son of a bitch!
Et voilà.
Oh no.
Qu'est-ce qui se passe encore? T'as fait une fausse couche? Ou le bébé est mort? Tout c'est cool. Oh là là. Oh putain.
Penny, what?
Et bah alors. Putain. C'est un truc de barge. Enfin, la pauvre petite Sarah. Et qui voulait que je la préserve, bah. C'est foutu. C'était vraiment Ben Empire, Sarah.
Hey, Clementine.
Hey, how's he doing?
He's perfect. Who's a perfect little man? Who's the most perfect little man in the whole world? You are. That's right. You are.
At least he doesn't look like Carver.
This baby is Alvin's. He's beautiful. Do you want to hold him?
I don't know how.
It's easy. Just keep him close and support his head.
There you go.
Ça c'est le
Look at you, like a big sister.
le naturel des
Here,
des
let me
petites
take it.
filles.
You both should rest. Especially you.
When's the last time you slept, Kenny?
About 2 years ago. I'm fine. Plus, somebody's gotta watch you while Mama gets her beauty sleep. You never forget that smell.
Putain, il s'en est passé des choses encore. Là. Et elle qui fricote avec Luke.
What are you doing?
Listen, I'm sorry. I've gotta go.
Go. Go where?
Just away, okay? You know, Jamie, Sarah. I'm not gonna stick around and watch it happen to you too. You know the score.
But I thought you believed in me.
I do. But give it enough time, and everyone's luck runs out. Listen, when the shit hits the fan, 'cause it always does, remember that you can make it on your own. It's not an option for everyone. If things start heading south, don't let them drag you down with them. You
Oui,
don't
enfin,
owe
quand
them
même.
anything. They'll make you feel like you do, like it's all one happy family. Oh, when push comes to shove,
I owe these people everything. They've kept me safe, looked out for me. I wouldn't be here without them.
well, they can't keep you safe forever.
No one is safe forever.
You take care of yourself. I mean that. Here.
Thanks.
Yeah. I gotta go.
Bah dis donc, je pensais pas qu'elle allait partir. Et lui, il va en avoir gros sur la patate.
Thought you'd be asleep by now. You okay?
It's nothing, Luke. Don't worry about it.
Okay. Just checking in with you. Temperature's dropping. We're low on food. I think we gotta stay put for a while. You know, for Rebecca and the baby. So I'm thinking as soon as it gets light, Jane and I should go explore, see if we can find some place to scavenge. What?
Jane left. For good.
What? When?
Just now.
Are you serious? She didn't say anything about leaving to me? What the fuck? Damn it!
Là, on va pas me dire que...
Hey, keep it down.
Pas me reprocher.
Sorry.
Just... Jane's gone. Really? Luke, of all the childish bullshit.
Childish? God damn it, Kenny. You know what? Just lay off.
No, you put our lives, this baby's life at risk, so you two could roll around like fucking teenagers.
Look, I made a mistake, all right?
No, it's not all right. What do you want from me?
You guys are both acting like jerks. All you guys do is fight.
Look, I'm sorry, okay? I fucked up. But you know what, Jane? She made an offer, and Jesus Christ, I needed it, okay? I mean,
No.
Look around you, okay? Everything is shit. So forgive me for wanting to enjoy one moment of something else.
Fine, but this baby, he's what matters now. Got it? So get your shit together.
Where's my baby?
Is everything all right?
Everything is fine.
We're gonna need a good place to raise him, which ain't here. We gotta push on. We head
Ah
north
bah ça c'est clair, ouais.
to Wellington. That's our best shot.
There's a town across the river. It might be safe there.
Or at least it might be a good stop on the way.
Kenny!
I'm sorry.
Clem's got a point. That could be a whole town full of supplies, and not that far from here.
Whole lot better than here, anyway. Looks like that's our best bet. We need to get on the road as soon as possible. We leave at first
Ouais,
light.
je pense que c'est le mieux, oui.
What are you talking about? Rebecca needs rest. A few days at the
Quelques
least.
jours.
We've got that baby formula.
And it won't help the rest of us. And what about shelter? We'll freeze out here.
Kenny's right. We should leave in the morning.
Rebecca is not in any
Oui,
condition
mais
to
bon,
travel.
I'll be fine. If there's a chance there's food,
Ah oui,
we
voilà.
have to risk it.
Okay, fine, if that's what you want.
Look, we should all try to get some sleep. It's been a long day.
Sorry.
Okay, Bex? It's gonna be all right.
Et eux, ils sont toujours autour. Eh ben... Bon, bah, nouvelle étape, la ville juste après. Ouh, il neige maintenant. Est-ce que les rôdeurs seraient sensibles au froid, comme il disait? J'en suis pas sûr, moi. Parce que nous, par contre, on se les caille.
You all right?
She's exhausted. We all are.
I can keep going.
We should have stayed put. We should have stayed put until she was in better shape.
She wasn't gonna get no better back there. We gotta find
Ah oui,
food.
si on n'a
There's
pas de
someplace
bouffe...
This look like someplace warm to you? We could still turn back.
That's not an option. Everybody hang in there. We gotta keep moving if we're gonna make it to that town before nightfall.
You don't even listen to anyone else. You just go on barking orders. You gotta lighten up, okay? You're pushing them too hard.
I'm just doing what has to be done. Like always. Keeping people alive.
Kenny's right. We have to keep going.
Yeah, I guess. Of course, I'd expect you to say that, seeing as how you agreed with him last night.
Bah oui, forcément, oui.
Oh,
Over here. It's a place to sit.
Rebecca, let me take the baby.
He's okay. I've got him.
No, you rest for a minute. I'll wash him.
Back off, Kenny. She said she doesn't want you to take the baby. Don't be weird about it, okay?
Oh là là,
I ain't
arrête.
being weird about it.
Yeah, you kinda have been. And not just right now.
Kenny knows what he's doing. He's been a dad before.
That's not the part I was concerned about.
Hello?
C'est qui
What is
ça?
this?
C'est qui ça?
Меня слышно?
Ah mais c'est l'allemand?
Arvo?
Arvo?
Jane and I met him on the
Enfin
observation
le russe,
deck
pardon. Pourquoi je dis l'allemand?
before everyone else came.
You know this son of a bitch? Well, what's he want?
He doesn't look like much.
That ain't the point.
Hello? Please?
He has a sick sister. They might be in trouble.
All right.
On va aller voir, peut-être que c'est lui qui veut nous aider. Non, non, pas la peine.
Hello. Your name is Clementine, yes?
Hi, Arvo.
These are your friends? I'm
Oui.
hoping you can help me now, not like before. All of you can help.
How is your sister doing?
Sister, not so good. I need things for bandages. I need bandages.
Are you hurt?
No.
Никакие оружия! Никакие оружия! Никакие оружия!
Merde.
Fuck!
Это они? Да, это они.
Скажи им, чтобы они поставили
Qu'est-ce qu'ils
их
disent?
на пол,
Traduction.
что мы забираем все, что они имеют.
Traduction, s'il vous plaît.
Откуда я знаю? Чтобы у их не было.
We don't want any trouble.
I told them you are the one who robbed me. They think it's funny that you're just a little girl.
Mais j'ai rien volé du tout.
And they want you and your friends to put down the guns, so we can take your things.
Whoa, whoa, hang on now.
What the hell?
Nobody get excited.
Clementine, you robbed this guy?
It wasn't me who took your stuff. It was Jane. It wasn't any of us.
Et puis on a rien pris en plus.
Where's the other woman?
Что происходит?
Их было двое раньше.
Еще один?
Не здесь? I do not see a woman who was with you. Where is she hiding?
She's gone. She left the group.
It's a trap. I know it. Они прячутся. Я знаю, что они прячутся. This can be easy for you.
Арва, скажи, чтобы они опустили оружие.
All of you, just put your guns down. This will be fine.
Find my ass! Слушай, Арва, почему они не...
We have a baby!
You have a baby with you? У них грудничковый ребенок.
Oh, le cliché.
Если ты знаешь, что хорошо для тебя,
Parle russe.
опусти оружие сейчас!
Их слишком много. Бурико, отойди.
Drop that now or I'm gonna fucking shoot it! I'll do it!
No.
Drop it! Drop it! Don't move! I said don't move!
Ты хочешь умереть?
Il y a bien un rôdeur qui va nous emmerder.
Думаешь, что я хороший мужик?
Oh putain, il est en train de crever.
Опусти оружие. Тебе незачем это делать.
Oh non.
Я не хочу умирать.
I will if you make me. Don't make me do it. Look at me. Do you hear me? I will kill you if I...
Rebecca, no!
No!
Oh là 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 là, ça part en couille là. Et j'ai pas voulu tirer parce que ça allait me porter préjudice, donc... Ah, j'ai pas la suite au prochain épisode. Alors, bon, bah, j'ai fini le chapitre. Alors, avez-vous laissé Sarah au parc de Caravanes? Oui, 40% des joueurs avaient sauvé Sarah au parc des Caravanes. Je fais partie de la minorité. Avez-vous volé Arvo? Avez refusé de voler. Bah là, je le regrette, du coup. Abnégation, avez-vous rampé par la fenêtre du stand? Oui, pour ramper au travers. Bon. Instinct maternel, avez-vous tenu le bébé? Oui, mais je pensais pas que c'était un choix décisif, ça. Et avez-vous tiré sur Rebecca? N'avez pas tiré sur Rebecca. J'ai appris de mes erreurs. Voilà. Bon, bah ouais. Finalement, Arvo n'est pas un mec réglo, comme on dit. Et il n'y a pas de prochainement dans le prochain épisode. C'est assez étrange. Bon, bah écoutez, on saura directement sur le fait ce qui va se passer la prochaine fois. Bon, on est un peu sur du surplace dans ce 4e épisode, puisque on est toujours finalement dans la fuite de la base de Carver, hein, au final. Hein, donc on nous a dit que ce serait pas facile, et c'est ce qui se passe en ce moment. Effectivement, c'est pas facile. Bon, bah, en tout cas, on est un petit peu livré à nous-mêmes. Hein, on fouille. Kenny est un petit peu hors de lui, mais il réussit à remonter la pente encore une fois. Rebecca, je pensais pas qu'elle allait mourir comme ça. Hein. Je pense que c'est nous qui allons nous occuper du petit maintenant. Hein. Kenny va s'en occuper, je pense. Et puis on a une nouvelle confrontation entre Luke et Kenny aussi. Donc bon, il y a plusieurs éléments qui font surface. Sarah n'est plus des nôtres. Hein. Alors, j'aurais pas cru parce qu'on a beaucoup de textes en haut à gauche qui disaient Sarah s'en souviendra, des trucs de genre. Et au final, il n'en est rien. Donc Telltale nous fait des feintes aussi. Hein. Bon, il y a quand même, je trouve qu'on fait quand même un petit peu de surplace. On n'a pas eu de gros événements à choisir. Voilà, bon, c'est plus au niveau de Jane, hein, au final, qu'il y a eu des choix à faire. Et essayer de la réintégrer ou de la raisonner. Voilà. Le personnage central de cet épisode, je trouve, a été Jane. Mais il y a eu quand même pas mal de temps mort dans cet épisode-là. Alors on verra comment ça va finir. En général, le dernier épisode d'un jeu de Telltale était quand même assez déterminant. Donc là, on sera en plein dedans. Hein. On verra bien ce que ça va donner. Il n'y a pas de DLC, je crois pas, dans cette version-là, dans cette saison 2. Donc bon, on est directement livré à nous-mêmes. Maintenant, je vois pas trop vers quoi on va aller. Mis à part le fait que là, on va être en confrontation avec des Russes, peut-être. Là, c'est Kenny qui a tué Rebecca, donc on va voir. Mais du groupe de départ maintenant, de celui qu'on a vu depuis l'épisode premier, hein, on est arrivé dans la maison. Il ne reste plus que Luke, hein, au final, hein, maintenant, si je compte bien. Puisque Bonnie, on l'a vu dans la base, Kenny, on le connaît depuis longtemps. Et voilà, il ne reste plus que Luke. Donc, au final, le deuxième groupe, on peut appeler ça comme ça, qu'on a trouvé, se réduit peu à peu. Et moi, ce que j'aimerais savoir, c'est... est-ce qu'on le saura un jour ou pas, je ne sais pas, mais ce que Krista est devenue, hein, parce que depuis le début, on l'a complètement perdue. Et puis maintenant, on a fait du chemin, donc on est très 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 loin de là où on l'a laissé. Parce qu'il y a toujours cet inconnu-là, hein, donc ouais. À voir, hein, mais bon, pour l'instant, on est un peu dans une impasse, là. Puis pas de suite pour l'instant au prochain épisode. On ne sait pas ce qui va se passer, ni les choix qu'on va opérer, ni le retournement de situation que l'on va avoir. Donc bon, ce sera donc vraiment surprise partie. Bon, j'espère quand même que cet épisode vous a plu, que ce chapitre vous a plu. Faites-moi part de vos choix comme d'habitude. Dites-moi ce que vous pensez de l'épisode. N'oubliez pas le pouce like, l'abonnement à ma chaîne, les commentaires. Et puis moi, je vous dis... à bientôt pour la suite et peut-être ce sera les 2 derniers épisodes, je pense, sur The Walking Dead saison 2. Voilà. Un trailer, pas de trailer. Pas de trailer, on reste là-dessus. Voilà. Allez, des bisous et à la prochaine. Salut tout le monde.